Finding slope given the graph of a line in quadrant 1 that models a real-world situation. Lena makes house calls. For each, she is paid a base amount and makes additional money for each hour she works. The graph below shows her pay in dollars versus the number of hours worked. Use the graph to answer the questions. So we have number of hours worked plotted on the x-axis and her pay plotted on the y-axis. So the first question says, how much does her pay increase? So how much does this value go up for each hour worked? So when we add on one more hour worked, or as we move this way along the x-axis, how much is the pay increasing along the y-axis? So if we just start here at the beginning, at 0 hours worked, she gets paid $60. So that's the base amount they're talking about here. And then when she works 1 hour, she gets paid $90. So the pay went up from $60 to $90, which is an increase of $30 for this 1 hour worked. And then it says, what is the slope of the line? Well, slope is rise over run. So if we look at this same arrow that I just drew before, when we went over 1 unit in the hours worked or in the x direction, that's my run. So in this case, that's 1. Then my rise, or the pay, went up from 60 to 90, or it went up 30. 30 over 1 simplifies to just 30. So the slope of the line is 30. We put the dollar sign on this one because it's in context, is asking for her pay increase. When it's asking for just slope, we don't need the dollar sign, we can just put 30.